This is my final project, a continuation of the Duke Bookstore case study with the full state tax functionality. So we'll start with my home page with the catalog, which is rendered using the index.html, using the Thymeleaf template. And each book card has an image, a title, author, price, and add to cart button. And the buttons submit a post request to the add to cart and point in book controller Java, which is right here. So we can go ahead and add something to the cart, book 3, price, and you can go to the catalog as well, or the books with the prices from the catalog. And the add to cart method in the book controller Java receives the book ID, retrieves the current cart from the session or creates a new one, and adds the book and redirects back to the cart page. And for our cart HTML, it uses the Thymeleaf to loop through the session cart with th each, calculates the subtotal by summing the prices in the controller, and then passes the data to the view. So go ahead, add some more to the cart, proceed to checkout, and then here's our drop down, which is populated by the checkout method in the book controller Java. Using get mapping, and it calls the state tax repository, find all to get all states from the database right here, and the state tax entity in the state tax Java, which is just JPA entity with entity ID, state name, tax rate, and the state tax repository, extended JPA repository, gives us the find all and find by state name using Spring Data JPA. So we'll select a state, calculate total, place order. Here's our order summary. It uses the order summary HTML and is rendered after the post to checkout. So the process checkout method in the book controller Java receives the selected state, and then it calculates the subtotal, which is the sum of the book prices, tax rate by calling the state tax repository, find by state name, and the tax amount is equal to the subtotal times the tax rate. Shipping is a fixed value. Grand total is the subtotal plus the tax amount plus the shipping. And all those values would be stored in the session and then passed to the Thymeleaf template. And the tax rate comes from the database, so it's not hard coded. And here would be my database, the state tax table, just created automatically by Hibernate because of the application properties with the Spring JPA Hibernate DDL auto update, and then it was inserted on the startup by a command line runner in the Duke Bookstore application Java, and it just checks if the table is empty, and then it inserts the 6 states with their real tax rates. So uses the database, and that's my project.